Salad with corn and zucchini. For this healthy salad, we need corn, zucchini, tomatoes, lemon, dill, parsley, sugar, olive oil, salt and pepper. Wash the vegetables. Peel zucchini and slice it. Add salt and mix it. Cover it and leave to marinate for a while. Cut corn and crumble on the plate. Add zucchini to corn. Cut tomatoes and add to the salad. Cut the greens and add to the salad. Squeeze lemon juice into the salad. Add pepper. Add olive oil. And some sugar. Enjoy it. Bon appétit! Salad with corn and crab meat. For this tasty salad, we need corn, crab meat, cucumber, lemon, parsley, dill, lettuce salad, eggs, olive oil, mustard and mayonnaise. Boil the eggs. Cool and peel. Wash cucumber, lemon and lettuce. Peel cucumber. Dry lettuce. Serve salad to the dish. Cut and add cucumber. Cut and add crab meat to the salad. Cut corn and add to the salad. Let's make the sauce. Put mustard to the cup. Add some mayonnaise, olive oil, squeeze lemon juice, and mix it well. Chop eggs to the salad. Put sauce. And add greens. Enjoy it. Bon appétit!